which audio file you should use in your course might be unclear when you can choose from so many audio format options. The most popular media formats for audio files are MP3 or WAV. But what about other audio options? Does it matter which audio file you use for your videos or audio recordings? After all, choosing the correct audio format will help create a meaningful experience for the student. In this video, we will go over the difference between the different audio files that exist and help you choose the best for your course content. The audio file format is how digital sound is stored to play on your computer, smartphone, or tablet. It is categorized into 3 different groups: uncompressed, compressed lossless, or compressed lossy. Whether compressed or not, it lets you know how audio information is stored. Compressed files will take up less space than uncompressed files, but uncompressed audio formats will have the highest quality and size. An uncompressed audio file is not compressed in any way. Waveform audio file format for use with PCs, or AIFF, audio interchange file format, developed by Apple, are examples of an uncompressed file. Lossy compression can be used in images, videos, and audio files. It is reversible. It reduces the size of data in the file. AAC, Advanced Audio Coding, or MP3, MPEG-1 Audio Layer 3, and WMA, Windows Media Audio, are examples of lossy compression. Lossless compression can be used for text, images, and sound. It is reversible. The original data is in the file. FLAC, Free Lossless Audio Codec, and ALAC, Apple Lossless Audio Codec, are examples of lossless compression. Using audio in online learning has always been beneficial for students who like to review lessons regularly. Some students want to view or hear audio lectures repeatedly and at their own pace. In your course, you can use audio to narrate PowerPoint or text, play music, especially for music majors, record audio lectures, or give feedback to students on their assignments. Audio can also help improve your course. Audio can be a powerful way to communicate course content to your students. It is also an excellent way for students to connect with their instructor. Hearing their instructor's voice, especially if you sound encouraging or warm, will help hold your students' attention. It also helps for retention of information. If you use a voice narration to explain a complicated diagram in PowerPoint, you can explain the diagram better using audio. Audio will help students understand the diagram and any crucial concepts. Without audio, the student will merely see a graph and text. It also helps make your course accessible. By providing audio, audio learners, or learners who learn through listening, or learners who are visually impaired, will assist them in understanding the content. So which audio format should you use in your course? If you teach a class that requires students to listen to music, then using an uncompressed audio format like WAV or AIFF would be the best choice. Unlike compressed lossy audio formats, they are considered to be high-quality audio files with the entire frequency spectrum. Also, if you provide students with WAV file music, they can convert to lossy formats if needed. The disadvantage of using WAV files is the size of the file. They are typically large files. For general listening, then using an MP3 audio file would be a great choice. It is a smaller, compressed file that will be easier to upload and download. Also, you can play an MP3 audio file across different devices, and nearly all modern-day computers have built-in audio players that will recognize any MP3 files and automatically play them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning more about audio formats. It might not be something you think about when creating audio content, but it can make a difference. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.